sembut bitang ba kajela ba Prestone tensong wal Byrthen Sengbhalang karilum karu halo kajing Kynjah karilum karu ha kajing dap Snem kasoka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha kan tarik lebel aja pundeu ha kabala penlong ni Jingrakhe kerpang ni kan sengi ha kran ha Jingrakhe dap Snem ka MDA ha tura ba Prestone ong bawla perkat ba baro ki paj ba ka karo hills kin tuich kan ni Jingrakhe ya kajing dap Snem kasoka bat ka Jingrakhe ya kajing kerku balale kasoka handai susi banyo i ba Kynjah penban loong ba balai ki semla kimwan ban rakhe hakan ki sengi kemudian kam ha hak ba de hajar paj ba ka yo ya kajing kerku na ki program jong kasoka lomba ka chief minister social service program ulabu jengkliru syai pidon pi persyang ban ong ba phim kwa ya kini program hatu phimut ban ong ba phim kwa ya roi ka pa jong ki paj ba ubak Prestone la kentu bakin play ya ki khmat jong ki nama ba ka jingle kumni kamut bakim kwa yo konrad ne yo Prestone ne ya kasoka nei ka phalang bakim kwa bagi paj ba nong kendong kin keu kin roi wa kerpat ikin ilam Sengbhalang kit khot bakin wan khmat ban ya kren ula ong bahar kini ki Snem ublai ula pensiat au noi lam konat ki sangma ban yalam ya kasoka ba un pun ulong ya ki angnut jong lit pi sangma karilum karu ka Kynjah akan tu tarik lebel aja pun reu hadin baka seng karu student union GSU kakot ya ka non cooperation movement ban kersian ya ka rai jong ka Karo Hills Autonomous District Council bagi baya kun ya election MDC kidai bandon ke Senate Scheduled Tribe.
That time when we formed the government under the leadership of our Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sangma, on the 6th of March 2018, and the journey is not that smooth. There were so many challenges, so many ups and downs, but ultimately, with the blessing and guidance of Almighty God, we are reaching to the journey of 8 years. I'm a bit saddened to see. I thought today being the celebration of 8 years journey, the whole region of Garo will throng to this place and celebrate the blessing and the initiative taken by the government. I'm so sorry to say, but it looks deserted. My dear friends, young boys and young girls, why didn't you come and witness this important function that we have? Thousands of beneficiaries are being blessed with these programs, with this initiative in the name of Chief Minister's Social Service Program. Where are you? Are you trying to say that you don't like this program? Are you trying to say that you don't like that our people grow? May I therefore humbly let us open our eyes by doing this. It doesn't mean that you don't like Conrad. It doesn't mean that you don't like Prestone. It doesn't mean that you don't like the government. But it may reflect otherwise. Maybe you don't like or people in the rural area to grow. So may I request members and leaders of NGOs, please come forward. The door is always open. We are here to discuss the issues, whatever issues you have. I knew your thinking is also for the future of Meghalaya, for the interest of the region, no doubt of it. But you need also to respect. You need also to respect the program like be it urban and rural areas. So I call upon each and every one of you, work together with the government. Let me tell you one thing. From 2018 till today, God has shared the responsibilities to our leader, Sri Karnat Sangha, where ultimately he translates these dreams of our late P.S. Sangha. He wanted to see that poorness does not at all exist again in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, so many social schemes we have. So many social schemes, be it for old, be it for young, be it for the student, all social schemes are here with us. It is in our doorstep. So I leave it to all of you. Are you willing to take this opportunity? And I should say, this is the golden opportunity that we